So in this video, as you can see, we are going to install VMware on our PC. So what is VMware? VMware is basically a software which will allow us to virtualize computers. So what is virtualization? A simple answer to this question is you have a computer in which you can create various computers, and these various small computers will share the memory of your main computer. So now the main computer is called the host, and all other computers can be in the network, and you can create small devices inside your device. So I hope it is clear what is virtualization. Virtualization is something like creating a virtual device. So your physical computer will have many other computers in it, many other devices in it. So now the next question you may ask is, what are the tools that can virtualize your system? So there are many options available to virtualize. We have a paid tool called VMware Workstation, and in this video we are going to talk about it. In my next few videos I'll be talking about VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is a free tool to create virtual systems, and it works similar to VMware. So now we'll just go and download VMware Workstation 12 Pro, which is the latest version right now. But whenever you are watching the course, make sure you are downloading the latest version of VMware. So once you have downloaded, you'll notice that once you go to downloads, you'll find the installation file, but I have copied the file on the desktop. So now what you have to do is you have to open the installer. So this is the installer. You can open it and you can install it. So installation is pretty simple. You just have to click on yes, next, and usually what happens is people are not stuck at the installation, they are actually stuck at installing OS X on the virtual machine. So there are problems on installing OS X, problems with installing OS X in normal machine, and there are problems in installing OS X in virtual machine. So in my next video I'll show you how to install OS X in VMware. So this is the screen that you will get, the welcome screen. You have to accept the license, click on next, and you have to click on enhanced keyboard driver. So actually you can use your physical keyboard inside the virtual machine. So click on next, and over here you have to select check for product updates. You can untick it because I won't be installing updates on this. You can also click desktop icon, so in case you want a startup menu program folder. So over here in start menu, if you want a folder, you can tick this, or you can uncheck it if you don't need it. Then click on install. So this will start the installation process, and the installation is pretty simple. Actually the installation of virtual machine is easy. VMware is easy as compared to installing OS X on VMware. So in the next video we'll start with that, but right now let's just hold on and install VMware, because there are people who are new to this course, new to virtualization, and they don't know much about virtualization. So I'll just teach how and where you can find all the things. All the things will be in the description or in the resource folder, and you can actually use the files which I have given you. Once the installation completes, you can just open the icon which we have on the desktop. So this is the user interface of VMware Workstation 12 Pro, and we have a 26 days evaluation period. So this is a trial period for 26 days, and you can get a license or you can get a crack, but I won't be explaining about that because that's illegal. So you can enter a license key if you have one, and you can also get a license by clicking on get a license key. So for this course, I would recommend you to go with VirtualBox. VMware is better than VirtualBox, but VMware is paid and VirtualBox is free. So in next few videos, we'll be installing VirtualBox, which is a free virtualization software, and we'll be installing OS X on VirtualBox. So you don't have to worry about anything.